Are you trying to choose between Debian 13 and Linux Mint? You're not alone. Many people wonder which one is better for their needs. In this video, we'll compare these two popular Linux distributions. Both are great, but they serve different purposes. Debian 13 is known for its stability and reliability. It's a solid choice for servers and experienced users. Debian uses a more traditional approach, focusing on free software. It offers a wide range of packages and is very customizable. On the other hand, Linux Mint is designed for beginners and everyday users. It's based on Ubuntu and is very user friendly. Mint comes with a polished interface and includes many pre installed applications. It aims to make switching from Windows easy. Now, let's talk about what sets them apart. Debian is more flexible and can be tailored to any use case. Linux Mint focuses on a smooth desktop experience, making it ideal for new users. When it comes to features, Debian offers a vast repository of software. You can install almost anything you need. Linux Mint provide a more curated selection, ensuring that the software is easy to use and works well together. In terms of pricing, both are free to download and use. There are no hidden costs with either option. So, which one should you choose? If you want a stable and customizable system, go with Debian 13. But if you're looking for something easy to use and ready to go, Linux Mint is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech content.